Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best GoPro Hero 9 Black is probably one of the most versatile action cameras on the market, boasting a powerful new sensor that captures incredible detail and smooth, stabilized footage, making it an ideal companion for adventurers, athletes, and content creators who demand top-tier performance and durability in any environment, from underwater explorations to high-octane sports. Number 5. GoPro Hero 9 Black Action Camera. Introducing the GoPro Hero 9 Black, the ultimate action camera for all your adventures. It's designed to capture stunning footage in any environment. Record breathtaking video in up to 5K resolution. This ensures incredible detail, even when you zoom in on your footage. Capture crystal clear, professional quality photos with 20MP resolution. Its Super Photo feature automatically optimizes image processing for you. Easily frame your shots and control the camera with its new, larger rear touchscreen and a brilliant front display. Zoom is now more intuitive than ever. Broadcast your experiences live in 1080p to social media. Enjoy advanced stabilization for smooth, professional-looking streams. Experience the smoothest footage yet with our most advanced video stabilization. It keeps your shot steady, no matter the action. This camera is built to withstand the toughest conditions. It's rugged and waterproof up to 33 feet, ready for any challenge. What we like. Capture stunning detail with up to 5K video resolution. If you're looking for professional quality footage that allows for significant zooming without losing clarity, this is your go-to. Its advanced stabilization and rugged design make it perfect for any adventure. What people say. The GoPro Hero 9 Black features a new, larger rear touch display and a smaller front display for easier framing and control. It boasts improved battery life compared to previous models, allowing for longer recording sessions. The camera can shoot video up to 5K resolution at 30 frames per second, offering incredibly detailed footage. Number 4. GoPro Hero 9 Black Action Camera. Introducing the GoPro Hero 9 Black, the ultimate action camera designed for your most adventurous moments. Capture life in stunning detail with its advanced features. Shoot incredible video in up to 5K resolution, preserving every detail even when you zoom. Its powerful new sensor delivers lifelike sharpness and smooth motion. Take crisp, professional quality photos with 20MP clarity. Let Super Photo automatically enhance your shots for perfect results every time, effortlessly. Easily frame your shots and control your camera with the dazzling new front display and the larger, familiar rear touchscreen. Zoom is now more intuitive than ever. Enjoy up to 30% longer battery life with the improved 1720 mAh battery. Keep recording for longer without needing to swap batteries, even in cold weather. Experience unparalleled smoothness with our most advanced video stabilization yet. It offers in-camera horizon leveling and enhanced stability in all modes. What we like. Experience lifelike image sharpness and fluid motion with its powerful 23.6MP sensor. If you need extended shooting times without constant battery changes, the 30% longer battery life is a game changer. This is ideal for vlogging or long-duration events. What people say. The GoPro Hero 9 Black has a front-facing color screen that allows you to preview your shots and change settings easily. It features a larger rear touchscreen compared to previous models, making it more intuitive to navigate menus and control the camera. The camera records video in 5K resolution at 30 frames per second, offering incredibly detailed footage. Number 3. GoPro Hero 9 Black Action Camera. Introducing the GoPro Hero 9 Black, the ultimate action camera designed for your adventures. It's built to capture every moment with incredible detail and clarity. Record breathtaking video in up to 5K resolution. This allows you to zoom in and maintain incredible detail, ensuring your footage looks professional. Capture crystal clear, 20-megapixel photos with ease. Its Super Photo feature automatically optimizes image processing for the best possible shots. Easily frame your shots and control the camera with its new larger rear touchscreen and a brilliant front display. Zooming and adjustments are more intuitive than ever. Broadcast your adventures live in stunning 1080p to social media. Enjoy incredibly smooth footage thanks to its advanced stabilization technology. Experience the smoothest video capture available with our most advanced stabilization yet. Say goodbye to shaky footage, even in the most demanding situations. This camera is built tough and waterproof up to 33 feet right out of the box. It's ready to handle any extreme condition you throw at it. What we like. Shoot in the most challenging conditions imaginable with its rugged, waterproof design. If you're an extreme sports enthusiast or an adventurer who needs reliable footage in any environment, this camera's durability and advanced stabilization are unmatched. What people say. The battery life is significantly improved, lasting much longer than previous models. The front-facing screen is a game-changer for vlogging and selfies, allowing you to see yourself clearly. Image stabilization is incredibly smooth, making handheld shots look professional. Number 2. TELESIN Super Clamp Mount. Crafted from a robust aluminum alloy, this mount offers superior stability compared to ordinary clips. It ensures your footage remains steady and high quality, even during dynamic rides or movements. Featuring a 360 degrees ball head, you can effortlessly adjust the shooting direction from any angle. This secure and stable connection stays put, eliminating worries about slippage during any activity. With an adjustable clamping range of 9 to 38 mm, it fits a wide variety of tubes and bars. Mounted on motorcycle rearview mirrors, railings, tree trunks, or bicycle pipes for ultimate flexibility. Connect extension rods or selfie sticks to reach new shooting distances and angles. Achieve perspectives previously only possible with drones, all without being limited to close-up shots. Equipped with a 1/4 screw and GoPro adapter, it supports most action cameras, lights, and microphones. It's designed for a wide range of popular action camera brands. This mount is specifically engineered for action cameras like GoPro, DJI, and Insta360. It's ideal for handlebars, roll bars, and tubes up to 38 mm in diameter. What we like. Mount your action camera securely on almost anything with this robust clamp. If you need a stable and versatile mounting solution for bikes, motorcycles, or railings, its strong aluminum construction and 360-degree adjustability offer unparalleled flexibility for dynamic shots. What people say. The GoPro Hero9 Black has a front-facing color screen that is great for vlogging and selfies. The camera shoots in 5K resolution, which provides incredibly detailed footage, and the hypersmooth 3.0 stabilization is excellent, making even shaky shots look smooth. Battery life is significantly improved over previous models, allowing for longer recording sessions without needing frequent changes. Number 1. TELESIN G2 Upgraded Battery Door Cover for GoPro. Introducing the TELESIN G2, the second-generation battery door cover designed to perfectly fit your GoPro Hero 13, 12, 11, 10, and 9 Black cameras. It offers robust protection for your battery during all your adventures. Don't let the weather stop you. Its upgraded water, snow, and wet weather-resistant design with a Type-C port allows you to shoot freely in any outdoor condition, from hiking to kayaking. Keep recording without interruption thanks to the convenient charging port. This feature is perfect for extended shooting sessions, time-lapse, and vlogging, saving you valuable time. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, it's lightweight, easy to carry, and provides a comfortable touch. You can finally stop worrying about accidental drops or sharp objects damaging your camera. Installation is a breeze. Simply remove your original battery cover and the spring-on lid allows for quick, hassle-free attachment in seconds. The built-in sponge gasket ensures it won't harm your camera. What we like. Keep shooting continuously without worrying about battery life or weather conditions. If you're planning long time-lapse, vlogs, or extended recording sessions in wet environments, this upgraded battery door cover ensures uninterrupted power and protection. What people say. The GoPro Hero9 Black features a new front display that is very useful for vlogging and selfies. Image stabilization on the Hero9 Black is incredibly smooth, making action shots look professional. The battery life is significantly improved compared to previous models, allowing for longer recording sessions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.